Hi Andrew, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts. I just wanted to show you this bumper I've chosen for you and see if I can get your approval so I can send it out. This is an 85-86 rear bumper that appears to have its original paint on it and is in good condition overall. There's no major warping or cracks or holes or anything to really notice from the outside or on top, but there is one small crack on the bottom I want to go over with you. And then upon close-up, you'll see there's a couple little nicks in the paint, but no splitting, no holes, no punctures, just some scratches. So there's the exposed painted areas. I wanted to show you on the back side here. I don't know what this might be from. A trailer hitch? It's about the only thing that comes to mind why you'd have those two marks on the back bumper there. But all the other mounting tabs are here, along the sides, along the top, and along the bottom. The most common place to find damage is in these corners. They just happen to get pulled open too far possibly and split. This one here is in great shape. The other side has a small crack in it. I'm not a body man, but I imagine it can be drilled out to stop the crack, or can just be completely covered with a filler. But that is underneath the bumper, passenger side rear is where that would be located. It's not shown when installed. It's just something to note. But for being 30 some odd years old, I really think this is an excellent used piece and in pretty original condition. Again, it hasn't been, I don't think, repainted. Just some little flaws in the top cover of the paint or the primer there, but I hope I can get your approval on it. Will you please respond and let me know so I can get this out today? And thank you for being so patient with me while I found what I think is an excellent bumper for you. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.